You ready yet?
Are you ready? Hey guys, welcome back to a new video. Today is Saturday, June the 21st, I think. If it's not, I'll put the correct date. No, June the 20th. Yeah, today is June the 20th. And I got church. Yeah, I get ready already. I got church. I get ready and put my camera. Like, as I'm saying in the last vlog, guys, I'm not feeling 3-2 fine. But, you know, I still gotta make the content, guys. Right now, nobody would think I got no edges. Still on short. Camera. You know, I just, ugh. I can't bother, guys. But let's start off the vlog. Just starting off the vlog. And the things there.
Oh my god.
See? I'm not too crazy, guys. I'm really actually put about it. So, nothing too crazy. Yeah. So guys, I'm gonna leave y'all now. I'll catch y'all back either at the church or when we shock me out later. Guys, I'm gonna put on this hydrated banana storage. So guys, I'm gonna wash my face. So I'm coming from church goodbye now after 9 now. And I'm drinking this. I drink that flavor, guys. The orange flavor wasn't it. That one actually tastes real good. This tastes like the jello we're coming at. The little jello plastic something. So yeah, I feel like I want to come talk to y'all a little bit because I'm bored. I'm feeling like I want to talk to my people, guys. Y'all are my family. Y'all are my besties, okay? One James people on the app. Hello. So, I'm going to talk to them about. I don't know. What else there? This tastes nice. I'm going to try to chew it. You know, I'm going to put it in the fridge. Yeah, guys. So, as y'all already know, but I'm going to just post the video today. After one, yeah, it's like one pretty good to me so far. It's like pretty good to me. Yeah, I've practiced and things them more clean. When I have an agenda, more make by the turmeric shop. I'm not really sure that because as you know, I'm showing that pan last time, but more make it back. I'm telling you this while, yeah, more make it back. And then what else? Yeah, I'm gonna rearrange my room. I'm gonna carry on because I need my room stays from August. Last year I did just start my YouTube channel. If only the real OGs would know. Yeah, the room transformation video. Hello. So guys, I'm talking about my face. This is kojic acid soap. It depends on the black spot in my face. Come on, get rid of them. To be honest, cause as you see, me turmeric end up spoil. Cause of foolishness. So I'm gonna make it over back. Anyways, yeah. That's pretty much it. This one tastes good. So hey guys, good morning. Today is June the 21st. It's currently 8 after 8 or 8:23 or so. Yeah. Guys, today is Father's Day. I want to say a happy Father's Day to all the fathers out there who played a good father role in their kids' life. Okay. I want to say happy Father's Day to you all. And big up on yourself, the day for the children and all the things them. Guys, me I go clean more and rearrange my room, so I get up early for that more and done by 10 o'clock the latest. Yeah, I need to get this done like right now. So I gotta start tie up them curtain there and get to the work, and I'm gonna take y'all along with me with rearranging the room.
It's just something about the way she moves. I can't figure it out. There's something about her. It's something about kind of woman that wants you but don't need you. And I can't
So guys, we don't really doing them. It took me probably 1 hour or so for cleaning them in there. But anyways, we get down to the nitty gritty. It's all. I go move over this first. Okay.
She got a wrong thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Won't you come and spend a little time?
Level 44 now, which is pretty crazy. So me move the bed from right there so to over this so yeah. So I can get better lighting when time me a vlog and whatever. Guys, them pump does not look so ugly. But anyways, so this them here there right just right now. My dresser and my bedside table. I think I just gonna lift them. I'm not sure. But yeah, I think it's coming out and it's pretty cool. So guys, I'm finally finished. Clap that tea. Anyways guys, so why am I look down at me and see that bump here? Like this is so gorgeous. So I done my show for the while ago, but I showed you the room. Show y'all what's going on with the bro. I'm don't watch the bump there, yeah. We all have our bad days, okay? Guys, that I just can't put some things on it, but I don't know, act like I'm not some dresser right now. Like the front part of the dresser. So yeah, bye bye so. Yeah. Yeah. So guys, what next is that I need to figure out my content to make a video. So probably video like right here. Hey guys, welcome back to the channel. Y'all know that it's that girl Nia. Hello. This my very pretty up here. I don't know. I'll make it plain. Guys, I'm gonna eat some food and catch y'all back. I'm just done doing that here, guys. This is my so hey guys. Today is Monday. Yeah. Today I'm Monday. June day. I'm not even know today I win. The 22nd. So yeah. Today I June the 22nd. Guys, I won't forget school. Like, I never get up early because I'm get ready, you know. So, but I'm ready to get ready to put on clothes and everything. Because I'm ready to do me and Jack. I'm going to do my ear. And the things and oh, I'm ready for your ear review, guys.
She got a wrong thing. That's why I love her. It's independent. Ooh, the way she shines. It's independent.
I'm ready. So I'm going to crazy OTD map time. Let's go. Everybody ready? Me alone just ready. Well. So guys, I just left out. I go school. I have to pick up my gown. And so I still have rehearsal. Then I have band rehearsal. Yeah. And graduation rehearsal. So yeah, this is the fit. I'm ready. So catch y'all back. So guys, I'm reach home. I'm doing a on my face again. Right now go down. I'm going to go down before graduation. But I go trim out my cousin here. And then I'm going to show you the finishing look. Yeah. So guys, I'm just done the ear. Yeah, fabulous. Book me now. Yeah. So guys, I'm about for pour my ear. My graduation. Probably take on a long little tipsy bit. And then yeah, let's go. Yeah. So guys, I go do my ear and I'm gonna show them the inspo. So this is the inspo right here. That's the inspo I'll be using. So guys, I can't see myself, but I can see the light. So yeah, let's do the hair first. So as I said earlier, may I use spring twist ear and purple pack boho. So let's go. Oh, and I use soft touch.
You're now tuned into the people's DJ, the one and only DJ Arlo. That's when it started in her eyes. It's over. And she said, "Te amo." She put her hand around my waist. Told her no, she cried, "Te amo." Told her run away. Let me go. I told you to cry. I asked you why. I said, "Te amo." Somebody tell me what she said. Don't let me in my love.
Do the ends, so I'm gonna have to take now and get back to y'all. My mom said I look like a dolly baby. Period. I look like a dolly baby with them ugly up on my face. Yeah. So guys, the hair is finished. Oh my god, I'm looking fabulous. And my mom is lying right there. I'm looking so fabulous, guys. We ready for the road? Oh. So guys, it's a graduation day. Guys, I'm just wake up. I'm gonna brush teeth or not. I'm gonna wash face. I say no, something I sleeping beauty, you know. I have sleeping beauty. Anyways, guys, so it's graduation day, and are you ready? Mommy, are you ready?
Yes, I'm getting ready.
Are you ready for our graduation, guys?
Yes, I'm ready.
Guys, it all go mad. I'm not act Christ. It all go mad and bad. It's currently 6:17 now, and I'm getting ready. Well, Miss Messi, I'm gonna really get ready. I'm gonna get ready. But I'm going over this, guys. I don't know if you guys see, but yeah, that's my girl over there, guys. Stay tuned because fun clips are coming. Fun clips are coming. Fun clips are, guys. See the going there, guys. Fun clips are coming. Okay, so stay tuned. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share the video and watch the video. I'm not ask Christ. I'm not ask Christ. I'm not gonna like that video. I'm not gonna like that video, yeah. And yes, I really wanted. I'm gonna smile, laugh, and see them. I'm excited. Yeah. Me want someone in that man sting to me for drive me since the land I. Alright, guys, I'm just leave out. I'm gonna leave out now. Yeah, this is what happens when you do a lot of things for your school. You have to leave out early, so I have to go in here and we have to reach early before the people, them parents and whatever comes. So let's go, guys. We reach the graduation. Yes. You're not going in there. You're not in there.
Take a
So
break
guys,
from going.
so
she did. Now remember what I said. This was home.
just don't perform.
This was the main source of income.
That's like what?
So that means that there is no problem. How are we going to survive? She had 4 of us to take care of her. 4. And when she came
So
home,
now, fun or nothing?
for about a week, she sat in the chair. Now,
The graduate.
Hello, greetings.
Hello.
My name is Mr. Wilson.
Mr.
Wilson. I'm a candidate, yes.
Gee, the full package meal.
Say hey guys. Guys, them say we're my oven. I lie. And this time not the comment. Don't listen anymore, please. What? Eh? Joy I feel you never know. Emotions that I never show. We graduated now. The journey has been great so far. I'm a sea young soldier. I was born to conquer. I was raised and trained to soar. I'm a sea young soldier. Even if school's over, till my heart can beat no more. The warriors them giant face for the tears. Walk them and tired ears for the tears. It's to make it out. It's to make it out here. The warriors them giant face for the tears. Walk them and tired ears for the tears. Only man stepping out. It's to make it out here. I'm over there. The warriors them giant face for the tears. Walk them and tired ears for the tears. It's to make it out. It's to make it out here. The warriors them giant face for the tears. Walk them and tired ears for the tears. Only man stepping out. It's to make it out. Hey, 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 hey. Don't let nobody tell you no special. Don't let nobody tell you no special. They got to open the door. We don't want to be that. We made it. 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 It's to make it out. We made it. 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 It's to make it out here. Okay guys, so y'all have made it to the end of the vlog. So as y'all can see, I enjoyed myself. I don't know about all the other graduates, but I did. And yeah, it was a great graduation. And the things that we did fabulous, guys. It is so fabulous. So we're gonna talk about graduation before we do the unboxing. No, we're gonna do the unboxing first. So I'm gonna show you what I'm gonna get so far. So I got my certificate. Yeah. Coming like this, but it want to open and close something, but I guess this is fine. It's fine. But I think it worth the money, you know. Or pay for graduates. Then we get the cap. We'll get to keep the cap, right? 2026. I got the 2026 and the tassel. I have it done. Yeah. So that we get, and we get to keep this thing here. The rose. I don't remember what name. Yeah, what the rose. Yeah, that's that's not all, guys. I got this bag. The bag here, I guess I feel, keep as a souvenir. Yeah, class of 2026. I love the material. We could have carried a like a picnic, it's nice for a little picnic. It's nice, it's fabulous. It's fab. I'm sure I take black, but anyways, it's fabulous. Okay, so guys, I got a little gift to give. And I'm gonna show y'all. One of my teachers gave me. Yeah. This is the packaging. It's cute and girly, So first on the list, I got a lip gloss, gloss. Got a lip gloss. Cute lip gloss. Yeah, I got a lip gloss. Yeah, I don't know some love lip gloss, so y'all know. So I got a lip gloss. I got a I'm gonna got the note first. So I'm gonna get a little note, right? I got a note. So it says to Sharonia, aka Nia, from Mr. Wilson. Congrats, I'm so proud of you. Keep aiming high. Hold on guys. So guys, yeah, I got out the note. I'm gonna read over the note. So it says to Sharonia, aka Nia, from Mr. Wilson. Congrats, I'm so proud of you. Keep aiming high. Love always. Yes, thank you, Mr. Wilson. I really appreciate this gift. The gift. I really appreciate it. So let's dig in the bag and see what's in the bag, okay? So next, when I use lip gloss, so I'm gonna get this little glass, little pouch. Look like I have glasses. Yeah, it is a glasses. Oh, it's clean. Look at it. So you can powder. I'm not gonna tell you something. I some glass look. Can powder up your face. It's fabulous, guys. It's cute and fabulous and girly, cute and girly. Okay, I love it. It's nice. Thank you, Mr. Wilson. This is so thoughtful. And then I get an ears ring, guys. I love ears not boring, but I get an ears ring. Probably probably give wait and bore my ears. No, my wait and bore my ears actually. Can't do that. After I get it. I like it. I give pearls. It's nice. It's cute and girly. It's nice. You can see it? It not focus, guys. It's not focusing. Alright. It's a stainless steel earring. It's nice. And it's gold. I love gold jewelry. So last in the bag. Bag is empty now. I got a perfume. So I'm gonna test how it smells with y'all. It's a foreign name, this Mustaf. I got a Mustaf perfume. Yeah. Mustaf perfume. So I'm gonna see how it smells. Ooh. I like how it look, guys. And it smell good. I'm gonna spray it. Guys, I like, oh my god, I like the packaging. It's cute. I like how it look. It a give luxury vibe. I love it. Let's smell it. Smell good, guys. Smell real good. Smells good, good. It's not good, so good. I love it. I love it. Thank you, sir. This is so thoughtful. This cute. I like this. It's cute. Look at it. It's cute. So cute. Thank you. Guys, I'm get the next perfume from when I'm auntie them. When I'm cousin them actually. Mega. Hold on, come guys. So guys, I just remember say the perfume. So guys, I got a next gift, but it's at my home. And I can't do it until the next vlog. So when the next vlog comes, I give you all. Okay. What else have to unbox? Nothing else? Nothing else? Yes, that's it, y'all. So the first comment shout out goes to Ramanda underscore Kiki 3438, and she said 14th. Yes, guys, that's how I speak. Anyway, she said, I'm happy for your 2K subs. Please continue posting consistently, even when it's hard to keep growing. Girl, thank you. Girl, I thank you. I really appreciate that, and I will continue to post, guys. As somebody tell you in the rest of them, I'll be posting back-to-back entries for the rest of 2026. So if you're new here right now, make sure to subscribe, like, turn on those post notification bells to be notified every time I post a video. Alright, okay. Next comment shout out goes to Ashoy K9P1Y, and she says, hey, this video was still love it. Girl, I am so happy that you love the video. Let's see. Guys, I love hearing it. I love to hear it. I love to hear that you guys enjoy my videos. I love to hear it. Okay. Thank you, girlie. And I love that you enjoy the video. So the last comment shout out goes to Kaylee Nashpal 3638, and she says, you guys hear what Nia said? One Brazil. That is right, girl. Period. One Brazil. No other side but Brazil. Brazil till the landslide. Hello. Hello. Guys, that's the end of the comment shout out. So if you want to see our comments in the next video, make sure to comment down below what you think about this video. Any motivation, any motivating words, anything you want to say, just let me know. I'll reply and I will do your comment shout out if it's something that needs to be done. Okay, girlies, and the few males that over here. Okay, so guys, make sure to like, make sure to share, make sure to subscribe. All right, so make sure to turn on those post notification bells. Hello. Alright, guys, so my quote of the week is, discipline is the vital bridge between your habits and your ultimate goal. And this quote is telling us that you guys must have courage in everything that you do and consistency in everything that you do, because if you don't be consistent with something, it's not going to work out. Okay, you got to do it over and over until it works out if you really want to do it. And always remember that put God in the center of everything that you guys are doing. And yeah, always remember to pray. Okay, bye guys. Make sure to subscribe, like, and share up the video. Hello.